Welcome to this video comparing the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the upcoming S26. We will determine which compact flagship is the better choice for you. The S26 looks identical to the S25. So the question is, does the new phone justify its price through internal upgrades? Is it an evolution or a revolution? The S26 features a slightly larger 6.3-inch display compared to the S25's 6.2-inch screen. Despite the size increase, both phones are designed to offer the same comfort with a minimal weight difference. Looking at the brains inside, the S25 uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The S26 will feature an upgraded Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or the Exynos 2600, promising enhanced performance. A significant upgrade for the S26 is the base storage, which doubles to 256 GB from the S25's 128 GB. Both models, however, maintain 12 GB of RAM. The S26 also boasts a larger battery at 4,300 mAh, a step up from the S25's 4,000 mAh. Both phones feature the same 25W charging speed. Surprisingly, the camera hardware remains identical across both models. Both feature a 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel telephoto lens. However, the S26 improves image processing through its new processor. This results in reduced noise in low-light shots and sharper selfies, showcasing a software edge. The S26 introduces Now Nudge AI and spam call screening for a smarter Android experience. Both the S25 and S26 will benefit from a generous 7 years of software updates. This table summarizes the spec clash. Key differences are the screen size, processor, base storage, and battery capacity, while the cameras remain the same. Choose the S26 if the price gap is small and you prioritize battery and storage. Opt for the S25 if you can save $150 or more and seek pure value.